I just want to make sure that the power's off. I'm going to go flip the breaker, and then we're going to start to work. And it appears it's off. If not, this video will be very funny to you. You'll see me jump. Okay. I'm going to start the disassembly of the Jenn Air Downdraft. So we base and put in the new Whirlpool cooktop. The other thing is, if you notice where the electricity comes in, it comes in just from cable and then it's hooked up. The new Whirlpool has a plug, so we're also going to install an outlet there. Let's get started. I want to separate the wires. Once I do that, I can take the unit out and just pull it out and good to go. Separate the one cable, the gray cable, and that is going to be wired into a socket that our new cooktop can be plugged directly into. Okay, I did the wire stripping. Make sure to keep them because they're good for other projects, and that's why. But now I'm gonna pull that through and then lift up the unit and it should come right out. Okay. I've got the unit out. Pulled out very easy. Now we have this little gap in the floor. This kind of gives me a feeling. I think I'm gonna be safe as long as I go pretty straight there. And the gang box will make it really nice because we'll have a nice receptacle. These are what we're going to install. You bought your receptacle, and from the box it has a diagram of how to wire it, and it has 4 connection points. You screw in the wire. This was 1996 and the standard was 3 wire. Well, today the code is 4 wire. So we're not going to use the ground in this case, and I'm not telling you to do this, I'm just showing you what I am doing. We're going to put our neutral in our neutral, and either the red and the black, red and the black, either one's fine. And then we're just not going to do a ground. Make sure we want to look at just make sure that everything's sealed. Lock down again. Okay, I'm going to go plug in the circuit breaker and then plug in the oven and see if it works. Okay, we are live, and no smoke, no burning smell. I'm going to plug the oven in. Not the oven, I keep calling it oven, it's a range. A stove, a cooktop. I'm going to turn this on now. That's good. The next thing is to just mount it in the hole. I think we're going to find that the cutout is a little bit too small, but let's see. Now, okay. Looks like we're going to have to make a little cut. Let me show you. Ooh, look at it turn orange. And I'm going to cut this little red line so it'll fit flush. You did try the multi-tool. Grind it off about 1/2 inch on the countertop. And now I'm going to see if it fits perfectly. Snug fit. Looks like I'm going to have to take a little bit off the back corner. And once I do that, it'll be perfect. Okay, I think I got the magic touch. So let's try it again. It's like a winner. Task number 1 out of 84 done.